Hello everyone, today I will tell you about new Celsius promo code for new users. I have a video about it, but now they changed the promo code. Subscribe to my channel and we start. First you need to download the Celsius app, then create an account and enter this promo code here. After that you must verify your account. Without identity verification you won't be able to use the app. When you pass ID verification, click here and go to Profile. Click on Promo Codes, enter a promo code and enter this promo. After that, go to Transfer and choose any coin. Then you should transfer $400. It should be your first transfer and you must maintain a wallet balance equal to or greater than your balance after completing your transfer of $400 or more. You can choose a stable coin and just waiting 30 days. Funds must be transferred within 10 days of activating your promo code. Your funds are not frozen and you can withdraw them, but you will lose your promo. When your transfer is done, you can click on Bitcoin in your wallet. And there will be 2 locked promos. That is it. After 30 days you can withdraw your funds and $90 BTC promo. There is no fee on withdrawal. If you have any question, write them in the comments and I will answer them. Thank you for watching, support my channel with a like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.